Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Debian operating system in a virtual machine using Windows operating system as a host. To install Debian on Windows operating system, you need to have a VirtualBox installed in your machine and at least 2 GB of RAM, 1 CPU and 20 GB of hard disk space or above. Now first we are going to install VirtualBox, so open your browser and type VirtualBox on your search bar. Since we are going to install it from the Oracle website, click on the second link that says oracle.com. Now click on the Download Oracle VM VirtualBox tab. Under the Oracle VM VirtualBox package list, click on the first option that says Windows Installer to download the installer and save it on your machine. Now double-click the installer to start the installation process. If the app asks for a permission, click Yes. Click Next. Here you can change the location for the file path or you can leave it as is. I'm gonna change it to my D drive and you can give it a descriptive name for your folder so that you can easily remember it. After you have made changes, click Next. Click Yes to accept the network connection reset warning. Click Yes again so that any missing dependencies for Python core packages and Win32 API bindings will be installed for you during the installation process. Now click Install to start the installation process. Now, as you can see, VirtualBox has been installed successfully, but as we are going to download the Debian ISO file first, you can uncheck this box and click Finish. Now, open your browser again and type Debian on your browser tab. Click on the first link that says debian.org. Under the Operating System section, click Other Downloads option to choose the right installer for your machine. Here under Download and Installation Image section, click the first option that says 64-bit PC NetInst, short for Network Installation ISO, if you have 64-bit operating system. If you have 32-bit operating system, click the second option and save it on your machine. Now the download task is done, you can minimize this window and open your VirtualBox to start the setup configuration process. Click New to create a new virtual machine and name it to something that you can easily remember it. For the folder section, you can change the location or you can leave it as is and it will install it under users directory folder. For the ISO image section, click the down arrow key to navigate to the ISO file you have just downloaded. Click the other option with a folder icon sign on it to find the location for your file path. Now click Next. Now you can change the default username and password to your preferred username and password. You can also change the host name and domain name if you want. I will leave it as is. Click Next. Under the hardware section, if you have more memory on your host, you can assign more than 2 GB of memory and 1 CPU. Click Next. The minimum hardware space is 20 GB, but that is minimum. As you can see, it assigned to 20 GB of memory automatically. If you have more hard disk space on your host, you can expand it to 30 or 40 GB and leave the rest as is. Click Next. Now review the summary, and if you want to make any changes, you can use the Back tab to make any changes, then click Finish. Now you need to give a network access to your virtual machine or the installation will fail. So to enable the network connection, click the Settings icon. Now select Network tab. Here you can change the network from NAT to bridged adapter and click Reload Settings. Under the Name section, it will pick your network interface name automatically. Click Advanced to give permission. Now change Deny to Allow VMs and click OK. Now you need to be patient until the installation process finishes, as it may take a little bit time depending on your PC and internet speed. Now the installation is done. You can change your desktop graphical interface by clicking this gear icon, or you can leave it the default name as is. You can also customize your screen size using the View tab from the menu bar.